Grand finale, the summit clash. Call it what you want, but it is the IDFC First Bank Vijay Hazare Trophy 24-25 final between Karnataka and Vidarbha. How did Karnataka get here? Just that one loss in the group stages, but some close wins. 3 wickets, 1 wicket, again 3 wickets. 5 runs in the quarterfinals, 5 wickets, a convincing one in the semi-finals, and they've earned their place to be here. Dominance at its very best. Forget the wins, let's look at the margins. 6, 8, 5, 6, 8 and 10 wickets, and then 9 wickets. And you push them and ask them to bat first, and they say, okay, 69 runs, 380 is what we'll get.
I've got 2 captains with me who are in red-hot form. For Karnataka, it's Mayank Agarwal. For Vidarbha, it's Karun Nair, and match referee, Mr. Prakash Bhatt. Who will flip the coin?
Heads.
Heads, it's the call. Oh, it's taking a long ride there.
Oh.
It's heads.
Thank you. We'll bowl first. All the best.
Won the toss, what are you doing?
We're going to have a bowl first.
2 strong teams going against each other. Very, very strong and in form. Mayank Agarwal 619 runs, Avnish 364.
और अगर विदर्भा की बात करें तो बड़ी टॉप हैवी टीम दिखाई देती है। रणजीत शोरी कमाल की बल्लेबाजी करते हैं, यश राठौर ने बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी की।
The 2 umpires, the glittering trophy in the middle, the match ball also in the middle. Nitin Menon and Rohan Pandit, you made a great point. The 2 openers over there, the 2 opening batters, 2 Indian cricketers. Mayank Agarwal on the right, Devdutt Padikkal on the left.
बिल्कुल और दो सबसे मजबूत टीमें विजय हजारे मयंक अग्रवाल की बात करें 49 की औसत 99 का स्ट्राइक रेट.
Current Indian Test cricketer, 1250s 900, special cricketer, special batter, Darshan Nalkande, 13 wickets this season, 62 overall. Ball 1 of the final. On the money. A little bit of a misfield, will be clipped for a couple of runs for sure. Might even think about the 3rd, or will it go all the way? Beautiful. Little bit room outside off some attack to full. Oh, easy peasy here for Mayank Agarwal. He's just peppering the offside.
ये अब आप देखिए, अब उनका बिल्कुल फुटवर्क धीरे धीरे चलना शुरू गया.
Oh, it's reached him. Yes. Dhruv Shore has made amends.
Can you just rock and roll it for me? Yeah, next frame please. Yeah, fingers clearly underneath.
और इसी के साथ देवदत्त पाडिक्कल 8 पर आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए.
Raka.
खेलने का अंदाज ही अलग होता है. बैक टू बैक दूसरी बाउंड्री. मौके की बात की थी.
You make it. What an over. Excellent. In the air. He's taken it. He's claiming it.
23 रन उन्होंने बनाए 64 पर 2.
और इसी के साथ एक और विकेट का पतन.
Mayank Agarwal goes for 32. Accurate bowling by Nachiket, and this is the first boundary after 39 balls to Nachiket. Oh, that was lucky. Last ball coming up, steered away.
Oh, जबरदस्त शॉट, हाफ ट्रैकर.
Across the line, runs आएंगे, 4 रन आएंगे. फील्डर के पास कोई मौका नहीं.
Short now, goes back. Big hit. Has he got enough?
गैप में, ये भी गैप में 4 रन आएंगे.
लीजिए 4 अगर आ गए तो कहां मानने वाले थे. And 50. बेहतरीन शतक. जिस सहजता के साथ यह है.
That's a very good shot and pulled away for a 4. He got a 50 against Haryana in the semi-finals as well. But the rest away, timed away for a 4 off covers.
लाजवाब, एक बार फिर ओवर की पहली गेंद, अब की बार 6।
That's nicely played, beautifully played. That's what I'm saying.
शुरुआत बहुत बढ़िया की थी दुबे की, बैक टू बैक बाउंड्रीज आती हुई। ओह, सीधा खेल दिया हाथ में कदम के।
By Srijit for 78. That's nicely bowled, very well bowled, but it will probably race to the fence.
करने की हवा में बिल्कुल ऊपर डाल दिया। ये शॉट की मैं बात कर रहा था।
Beautiful.
लाजवाब।
Again, on the offside, you know, he's constantly erring. That's full. That's straight. Is there a chance? That's very close to the line. Clobbered down the field.
खराब गेंद।
Cracking hit. Has it found the gap? Excellent piece of fielding and then gives it away. Abhinav Barua gets to a very well compiled 50.
एक मौका और सिर्फ उस गेंद को देखने का।
There it is. Just a little dab to point. Ravichandran Smaran. What a cricketer he's turning out to be. Second 100 of the season, 67 for 3. A special 100 from a special cricketer.
ये याद रहेगा बहुत लोगों को इस पारी की तरह।
And he has the finesse too.
कहाँ डालिएगा आप?
That's at the bottom. Hasn't quite got the middle. They'll take some catching. Very well done indeed from Rathore.
स्मरण ने बनाया 101, 333 पर 5 कर्नाटक। ये भी एक मौका बन सकता है। ध्रुव शोरे अब की बार कोई गलती नहीं की।
He's gone for 79 of 42. Karnataka 3, 3, 4 for 6. Not much timing. Has he got enough? Has he got enough? Has he got enough? Yeah, he has.
अब की बार संपर्क है और बेहतरीन है और आखिरी गेंद पर दिखाया।
13 of the last over. 348 for 6.
आमंत्रित किया गया था टॉस जीतकर विदर्भा के द्वारा कर्नाटका को बल्लेबाजी के लिए। पाटिकल जल्दी आउट हो गए थे, सिर्फ 23 बोर्ड पे थे। अनीश और अग्रवाल जब तक एक साझेदारी बुनते वो 64 पे ले गए, दूसरी 64, तीसरी 67 और ऐसा लगा होगा तब विदर्भा को कि आप इस मैच में मजबूती बना रख सकते हैं, लेकिन श्रीजीत और स्मरण के बीच में एक अच्छी साझेदारी। स्मरण का दूसरा शतक लिस्ट ए में, श्रीजीत ने भी हाफ सेंचुरी बनाई और फिर मनोहर ने जिस तरीके की पारी खेली, सिर्फ 42 गेंदों में उसने रुखसा ही बदल दिया। 50 ओवरों में 348, 6 विकेट के नुकसान पे।
ध्रुव शोरी पिछले मैच में शतक आया था इनके बल्ले से, और इनके भी बल्ले से सेमीफाइनल्स में शतक आया था। कौशिक कमाल के गेंदबाज हैं, 79 विकेट से इनके खाते में एक रेट है। और मेरे साथ है सलील अनकोला। स्वागत है सलील आपका।
Thank you so much, Chetan. Now we're back to the field of play.
विदर्भा को शॉट हाथ खोलने का मौका।
What a shot! What a shot! Oh, just coming to that.
तो बेहतर रहेगा ये गेंद पर।
Or the next time. Again, the room given outside the off-stump and again cracker forward there. Again, as we were talking, bold shot again.
बाहरी किनारा, स्लिप में देवदत्त पडिक्कल। यही मैं चर्चा कर रहा था इस गेंदबाज की।
Yash Rathore goes for 22 of 19 balls.
कमाल का शॉट, गैप के अंदर रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर।
ये ज्यादा बेहतर विकल्प है आपके लिए ध्रुव।
That's swatted. No chasing that one.
लाजवाब, जी हाँ।
Oh, beautiful. Nobody at mid-wicket. All he had to get it past that mid-wicket fielder.
So the keeper, Ranjit
ये बेहतर, एक चौका और उसके बाद आप और इसी के साथ अर्धशतक पूरा ध्रुव चोरे।
हवा में मिड विकेट के ऊपर से नजदीकी मामला, नजदीकी मामला।
Kadam gone for 15. Vidarbha lose their third. And steps out, hits it. Has he got enough? Just over.
That is a good shot, but straight in the hands.
और अब 192 पे 4 है विदर्भ।
और इसी के साथ शतक पूरा किया ध्रुव चोरे ने। कमाल का शॉट ध्रुव चोरे के पल्ले से आता हुआ। इट वॉज इन हिज हाफ एंड इट वेंट आउट ऑफ द पार्क। हवा में और इसी के साथ एक और विकेट का पतन।
Shubham Dubey has gone for 8. Vidarbha 2-1-6 for 5. Up in the air. Oh, huge wicket. Huge wicket. He's looking absolutely distraught.
110 रन बनाकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए।
That's out of here.
In the air, in the gap.
ये ऐसे शॉट्स की जरूरत। अच्छा शॉट, बिल्कुल सीधा। मयंक अग्रवाल नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे।
Inside edge will fetch a boundary. Third over in a row. Nice connection one more time. Nothing has changed as far as the start of the over is concerned.
ये तो प्लम हो गए। बिल्कुल बीचों बीच लगी है बॉल।
Wankhede made 12. But will definitely have a check.
कमाल की गेंदबाजी।
Nachiket made only 5.
ये शॉट है, ये एक बड़ा हिट है, ये बड़ा हिट है और वो हर जाएगा 6 रन के लिए।
Wow, look at the range. Second list A50 for Harsh Dubey. The sound was so good.
ये लीजिए एक और, ये लीजिए एक और।
There was no need. There was no need for that. Not a great thinking by Darshan Nalkande there.
घुमाया है, फील्डर वहां मौजूद, फील्डर मौजूद।
And that's the moment. 5th title for this Karnataka side. Too strong on a given day. They got into the final for 5 times and winning it all 5 times. Asked to bat first and batted brilliantly. One time they were 3 down for 67. 2 Indian batters were back in the hut.
5वां टाइटल अपने झोली में डालते हुए कर्नाटका की बात करें। विदर्भा जो पहली बार फाइनल्स में पहुंची थी वो कर नहीं पाए, जो सोचकर इतनी अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली थी विदर्भा ने।
Happy captain, taken the trophy. Just mentioned about the pace in Karnataka cricket at the moment. It's a mix of a lot of talented youth and some really experienced guys. Happiness, and why not? The youngest of the side is holding the trophy at the moment and is passing on to his teammates. Played top-class cricket, and that's what you want to see. Some youngsters standing tall. Captain had all the praise for those. Not only the youngsters, the way they have played, didn't have a very good outing in Mushtaq Ali, but then winning important moments, losing just 1 game in league pace, winning everything in the knockout, winning this trophy for the 5th time. So Karnataka putting on a show, asked to bat first, 348 for 6 in their 50 overs. That was a mountain to climb as far as the final is concerned. Vidarbha batted really well throughout the season, but it was a challenge for them as well. They could manage only 312. Karnataka winning it easy in the end by 36 runs. Not only winning it this time, winning it for the 5th time.